Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video of Denise Beauty Corner. And here we talk about everything that is beauty and fashion related. And today I'm going to show you an unboxing and review and what fits inside of my new luxury bag, and that is a Louis Vuitton from the new Wave collection, and it's the Chain Pochette version. So I have it in the bag here. I haven't unboxed it since I got it from the store. I do buy many of my Louis Vuitton bags pre-loved because you can get a very good deal if you buy them pre-loved, but this one I got from the store, so it's brand new and I'm going to show you. So I'm very excited. So it comes in this box like they always do, perfectly wrapped in this little box, and yeah, we're just gonna dig into it. And as I've been mentioned before in my bag review video, I keep everything to the bag, like everything. I'm even gonna keep the paper bag and the little wrapping and the box. I always keep everything. So in here is the bag, and it's perfectly wrapped in the silk paper. And under here is the receipt, because I specifically asked them to put the receipt in the box. So nowadays you do not get this like paper, you do just only get this like type of receipt when you're buying from Louis Vuitton. Before you got like this printed like little luxury paper. Now it's just a normal receipt, and they claim to be environmental, like more environmental friendly. That is why they are doing that. I actually did prefer to have like the printed receipt more than this, but what can we do? But it comes in this little envelope. The price tag for this is 13,200 Swedish crowns. I do not know how much that is, to be honest, but I think that is like around $1,200 or something. No, not 1,000, like $1,500 or something. You can easily look it up. I'm going to link the bag from the Louis Vuitton site down below and you can check it out. So let's open it and see this little beauty. So inside of here we have the dust bag, of course. So let's open the dust bag. I feel like the dust bags are also much more of a thin fabric than the like older Louis Vuitton bags that I have. It's a little more thicker fabric. So here we have my new little baby, the newest baby in my collection. So I think the chain is inside here. Yeah, so what's typical for the new Wave collection is this like wavy type of finish, and this one is in leather. And something else that is typical for the new Wave collection is this little more colorful and fun printing that they have. In this one they have it in the top of the strap, the chain. And I have to say this bag feels very luxurious, the finish and everything. I have a lot of canvas bags, and I love canvas because it's so easy to use and so easy if you're like going in rain and things, if you do not have a canvas bag that is having the untreated manchetta. But otherwise the canvas bags are very like, it's hard to destroy them. But the leather bags are a little more like, you have to be a little more gentle with them. Anyhow, I really wanted this one. So you can take off this chains, which I like, because then I can actually use it as a clutch if I want to. If I want to take this off completely, I can use it as a clutch. But also I do like when I can take off the different straps, because that means that I can put this on another like black. Do I have any other? I do not know if I have one that is plain black. My Trocadero Louis Vuitton I cannot take off the strap on, but otherwise, like, I am planning to buy some Felice pochettes. I'm hunting them because they are never in stock, and 2 times I have actually bought them. Then they have bumped back an email from the website saying it's out of stock, so my order, like, it couldn't go through with it. But then I like when you can take off. Also, if I do not want to have this logotype, if I want to have the bag a little more sleek, I can just put on a chain that is not with this logo. So I feel like when I have this one on, it's a little more like funky and fun. I feel like going with a leather jacket and a pair of like jeans, it's gonna look amazing. But if I want to have it a little more like elegant, I think I'm gonna wear this with another strap without this colorful wave strap. If we're gonna take a look inside, I mean, it's a pochette, so it's pretty small. It's more like a wallet bag. But if we're gonna look inside, we have this little tag that we always get in the Louis Vuitton bags. I'm actually going to take the chain off because otherwise we're going to hear this noise all the time when I'm moving around the bag. So I'm just going to put this aside. If we open it, you see we have the magnetic, you hear? The magnetic click here. And if we open it up, inside it's with this velvet type of lining, so it feels very luxurious. And in here we have card holder and one pocket and then one zipper pocket. And it's also with a velvet finish in here. So the bag itself, it's pretty small. I mean, this is my iPhone 11. And here you can see like how small the whole bag is. So I actually, when I saw it online, I thought it was going to be a tiniest little bit bigger than this. And I didn't know that it was this type of velvet lining because I feel like you can fit maybe, or maybe that is just my feeling, like it feels like you can fit a little bit less than if it wouldn't be the velvet finish, but maybe that is not true. I do not know. But anyway, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but I tried it in the store and I ended up loving it, even though it wasn't so like big. But I can fit my essentials in here, but it is a pochette, so it's not like an everyday bag. So we're gonna see what I can fit in here. And the first thing is my phone, of course. I never go anywhere without my phone. So my phone is fitting here. So I'm gonna put my phone in this big pocket here. And then another thing that I barely never go without is my car key. So I'm going to put my car key in the back here. In the store, when I tried to stuff my things in this bag, I did try it with my key pochette. It's not called key pochette. My key holder from Louis Vuitton. This one. But it didn't fit. So you cannot have your keys in something like this. So I have been taking out my keys. So I'm going to put my keys here. And I do not like to do that because I rather have my keys in some kind of purse because I don't want them to rip up the interior of the bag. I'm actually going to try to put my bag. Can I put it here? No, my phone is not fitting in the little zipper pocket. I need to have it here. So I am going to put my keys in the zipper pocket and see. I don't think it's going to look good. That was not how I put it in the store. No, I feel like it's a little too bulky if I put it there. So I am going to put my keys in the bag. So now we have the keys, my car keys, and my phone, and you can see it's pretty stuffed already. Can I get focus, please, on the bag so you can see? Thank you. So now I'm gonna put my lip balm because I never go anywhere without my lip balm. So I'm gonna put it there right next to the keys. And then we have a problem because here is my wallet, like my card holder. And in the store, I could fit my card holder, but it ended up being a little bit bulky. But the thing is that you can actually take out your cards. Oh no, it's actually working pretty good. Ah! I think I stored it in another way than I tried in the store, because in the store I found it to be a little bulky when I put my card holder in there. But now I actually feel like it's fine. It's not so bulky at all. So I'm going to zip this one up. So far I haven't put anything in the zipper here. And yeah, we're gonna see if it closes, and it closes without any problem. So here's the bag fully stuffed. And Honestly, I feel like this is what you can fit in this bag. I wouldn't say that you can fit so much more. It's pretty stuffed. Maybe you have like a tiny little bit of more space there if you want to put some more cards or things. So this is for sure like an evening bag, but I think it's so pretty. And honestly, I do not have so many bags. I keep looking up there because up here in front, in the back of my ring light, I have my YSL that used to be back here but has moved up there, the one that I unboxed the other day, like not the other day, my last unboxing video. And I have my Alma Petite, like baby Alma. I have my City Steamer. I have my Palace Petite. I have like those sizes, my Trocadero. I have those sizes of bags that are like fitting a little more. And then I have here, I mean, I love my Palm Spring. Do you have a Palm Spring? I mean, I love this Louis Vuitton bag. I use this so much, but this is also like a little bit bigger. You can actually fit a decent amount in here. Other than that, I do have like, I think this, and this is a Guess bag that I have had forever and ever, but I do not have, like, all the bags that I have is little bigger bags. Even in here I have my favorite bag, but it's also like the small one is much bigger, and then I have a medium also. Maybe this is like, this is an old Louis Vuitton Epi leather. Maybe this is comparable to what you can fit inside, but I honestly never used this. Maybe I should sell this one. Or like this is the clunch that comes to never full. Do I have something in here? No, but like that is the only small bags that I have. So that is why I feel like I don't feel bad that I bought a bag that is actually not fitting so much, because sometimes I just wanna, when I go out for dinner or something, I just need the essentials here. I just wanna try if I can fit a lip gloss as well, because that is maybe the only thing if I'm going out, I would like to have a lip gloss. But I think that I can actually fit like a lip gloss right on top here. Okay, so I think like if I put the lip gloss on top like this, I can still close it. And now, my friends, the bag is completely stuffed. So here we have it. I think it's beautiful. I feel like it's a fun addition that they have this Louis Vuitton printing that is typical for the new wave. I mean, you do not see this printing so much, since in this bag it's in the top. In the bigger bags, this one comes in a bigger size as well. This strap part is actually movable, so you can take it down and have it like this, so you can actually see it more. I don't mind that it's just on the shoulder. I think it's super pretty anyway, and it's like you can see some fun colors like a little bit up here. I think it's enough for me. And when I pay this much for this small bag, I want to know that it's a bag that I can use over and over again, that I'm not going to get tired of. And I love the golden details, and it's like a key for me that it needs to be golden details, because I am not so much into silver, and all my jewelries, all my bags, everything that I have, my shoes, everything is with the golden hardware. So I really like that. So yeah, I mean, this is for sure going to be a bag that I am going to use a lot. I love it. I know it's an expensive one, but I also feel like this is a collection that is not going to be on Louis Vuitton forever and ever, and as soon as they take it off and not producing it anymore, they're going to raise in value, because then people cannot get their hands on them anymore. So I really like this one. I'm very happy that I bought it, and I am on the hunt for the multi-pochette new wave, but in the color white or khaki. I really would love that bag as well, or the like traditional multi-pochette that they have, but those are always sold out. But we will see if I can get my hands on them. So what do you think of this bag? Let me know in the comments down below. I absolutely love it, and yeah, I think it's so pretty. So here we have it, my friends. Such a beautiful little bag. So this bag I'm gonna put here where I front my new bags that I have, like my current favorite all the time. So my YSL has been sitting there, but now I moved it up there so I could make space for my new little baby in my collection. So my friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you did like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below which one is your favorite bag, if you have made any purchases lately, or if there was something that I showed you quickly now that I compared with that you want to see a more in-depth review of. I have a lot of other bags there and in my other room, and down here I have bags, and I have bags here, and down there you cannot see. I have a little bit here and a little bit there because I like to spread them out a little bit so it doesn't look too much when people are coming in to my closet, aka studio room. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this time. I hope I see you in my next video. I upload every single Friday, so make sure to subscribe so you do not miss out on any content here. So I see you in my next one. Bye!